I'm going to send out, okay? All right, try number one. Everybody try number one, okay? When you have this type of questions, a better use, right, a backsolving. Backsolving means you can put this number into the what? Inequality, which numbers is true. That's the best way, okay? Or you can solve this one algebraically, okay? So you can put this number, 5 minus 8 minus 5 less than 8, that's true. 2 minus 5, negative 3, absolute 3 is less than 8, true. Negative 8, oh, still they are equal, true. Negative 4, when this is negative 4, minus 5, negative 9, absolute value negative 9 is a positive 9, is not less than or equals to 8. That is a false. Maybe you can do this way. That is the best way, I think. Or you can solve this one. Between less than 8 means about solution. You know that, right? Less than 8 means what? Less than positive number, but greater than negative number, isn't it? It is okay. The solution for this one, because you're inside the number, this inside the number less than 8 means what? Less than 7, less than 6, negative 5, or 1, 2, up to 7 or 8 equal, right? That's right. All these number absolute values were less than 8, isn't it? So inside the number should be what? Less than or equals to 8, but greater than negative 8. Okay? Or you can solve this one. Plus 5, plus 5, plus 5. Okay? 13, negative 3. Any number between these two inclusive, that is the solution set. This is outside. Okay? So, how to think? It still, this is, it takes time, right? In this case, back solving is better, okay? Okay, check right all the numbers. So choice D is the answer, okay? All right, number 2. Okay, try number 2. Everybody try number 2 now. We have XY plane above. PR is the diagonal. The diagonal of rectangle. Yep, that is diagonal. The length of PR is 17. This is 17. What is the value of K? K, what is the K? This value of K, X coordinate. Where is 8? This is 8. Okay, now can you find the value of K? You can use, right, Pythagorean theorem. Okay, 17 square minus 8 square, right? Or, it doesn't matter. If you know triplet, you can get to the answer directly, okay? All right.
Answer is 15.
Yeah, 15, we know that, right? 8 and 15 and 17, triangle triplet, right triangle triplet. Or you can use the Pythagorean theorem, okay? This is 29 minus 64 is what? 225, right? That is a square root 225 is 15, that's fine. Better memorize this, okay? 5, so you can say 3, 4, 5, 3 different, right? On SAT only, right? 5, 12, 13. The other one is this one, okay? 1, 2, 3. There are many right triangle triplet, but on SAT, only 3. Okay, memorize this one, okay? All right. Move on number 3 now. Okay. We have a letter measuring there. Triangle RST is area of this one. Triangle RST. This area is 30. Okay, bracket means what area, okay? So in this case, what is the value of K? The idea is what we need to find the area of this triangle in terms of K, right? Okay, all the unit is what? K, right? What is the measure of this one? 3K to 6K, 3K, 6K minus 3K is what? This is, we can take what as base, right? Base. Where is the height? Where is out? Up at the vertex, extended the line. Now this is it says secant. When you make what? Perpendicular line, that is height. from this is height is how much? 6K minus K is what? 5K, isn't it? That's the height. Now we can find the area of this triangle. Base times height and divided by 2 is 30 means what? That is equal to 60, right? All right, so this is what? 15K squared is 60. So K squared is how much? 4, you know, you can divide it by 15, 4, right? But we know that K is what? Right-hand side of what? Y-axis. It should be positive, okay? So maybe you can square root. We don't take a negative number. K equals 2 is the answer, okay? That's it. All right, that is number 3. All right, number 4, angle B is pi over 3 radian. This is radian. Because pi is 180 degree, you can change into degree, it doesn't matter. Pi over 3 is 180 over 3 is 60 degree, right? Yeah, that is 60 degree, you can use this one. Because degree is more familiar with us, okay? So, AB is 20, this line, this length is 20, and we know that cosine A equals sine B. When you have two angles, the value of cosine and sine angle always what? There's a rule over here, right? Angle A plus B always equals 90 degree. Is it okay? It should be always 90 degree. That is we said co-function. The theorem, this is we said co-function theorem. Okay, that means what? Cosine 70, or you can switch to sine, what is that? Sine 20, you can switch any times. But there's a rule. Sum of these two angles must be 90 degree, okay? Now you can change this one. Cosine 70 equals to sine 30? No, it can't. Because what? Sum of these angles is not 90, all right? Okay, that is the co-function. That's the rule, okay? What that means, angle A plus B is 90. This is the right angle, okay? The third one is the right angle. This is special right triangle now, right? Okay. The area, using this one, opposite side, this one is what is that? 60 degree, right after 60 degree, always what? Half of this side, which is 10. Now the other longer side, second long side is what? 10 times red 3, isn't it? It's okay. It's 2s, s, and s times red 3. Okay. Now we got two legs already. Okay, they are perpendicular. You can use these two legs to find the area, right? So area is how much? Leg times another leg and divided by 2. That is the area, okay? Triangle. 100 divided by 2 is what? 50 red 3, isn't it? That's the answer. Choice is the answer. Okay. Remember, co-function. Okay. All right, now we have this one. F of x equals x minus p. Okay, slope is 1, y-intercept is negative p, but we don't know. P is positive, negative. Anyway, P is a constant. But two numbers is given. When x is 2, y is 5. What is the value of y? F over 2p. Oh. The first we have to do is what? We need to find the value of t, isn't it? Right? The value of p, I'm sorry, p, not t, okay? So when x is 2, y is 5. From these equations, we can find the value of p. Put this number 2. F over 2 is how much? 2 minus p. 2 minus p. That is equals 5, isn't it? The output should be equals 5. From here we can find p equals how much? Negative 3, right? Is okay? P equals negative 3. We know that. Now, put this number inside of here. 2p is now -6. It is okay? Now we're going to find -6 again. This is already what? P equal -3. This is eject. Now it is what turn out to be this way. X minus 3 is how much? X plus 3, right? That is f of x. This is now f of x. Now to find just a number without p, okay? You do this one, okay? Because we got the p numbers already. So -6 plus 6, that is 0. There's no answer. Okay, maybe I did wrong. Okay, any of you, can you find something wrong? -2. 2 minus p is 5. P equals -3. 2p equals what? -6, right? So put this number -6 in there. P equals -3. Oh, x plus 3 over here. X plus 2, okay. F of x equals x plus -3, +3. Oh, +3, okay. Oh my God. I'm so sorry. How come this is coming here? X minus -3 is what? I'm sorry, I don't use, okay? You divide by 2, -3, okay? This number going up here, x plus 3, okay? That is f of x. Oh, okay. Now put this number -6 in the equation, okay? So -6 plus 3 equals how much? -3 is the answer, okay? -3 is the answer. Okay. Now from now on, okay, you guys try first and give me the answer. We work together, okay? We check it out the answer. All right, number 6 over here. So we have 2 triangles. Okay. Now can you find out difference of 2 angles A and B? Okay. Can you find out number 6? Okay, try this one, okay? That's right, your preparation SAT questions, but you need the right prepare this much, okay? Not this much. A little in more strong background of it, okay? Now you can get by any times when you take right test, you get 800 without any wrong, okay? You have to prepare like that, not neck and neck. So even though only, I have some question, I have some student, he always practice with college board questions, test, there are a lot of tests. Sometimes 800, sometimes 760, sometimes 740, 760, always up and down, up and down. That is not good, okay? You have to build a little more over here. Now you know that, okay? So you gotta be professional, not amateur, okay? Professional means what? You know how to solve the questions without any mistake. That is a professional. So many mistake, that is not professional, that is what, amateur, okay? This is the same thing, okay? So any subject, anything, when you prepare write some test was this much, you want to prepare this much, at least what, 150% to 200%, okay? Who said this one? You know, Google president, he started this way. Okay,
no.
right. Okay, try number 6.
Is it B?
Oh, B. I got one over B. Okay, these two angles are equal, right? Some of the triangles are 180, we know that. Except this one, same angles, take out same angles, 180. A plus 50 should be equals to what? Sum of the other two angles. That's right. From here we can find one difference. A minus B equals how much? A minus B equals
Me too.
negative. Oh, okay, so I did a mistake. So negative 22, right? Or you
Yeah.
can make a right difference. 22, that's okay. Very good. All right, number 7. Try number 7 now. The scatter plot above shows the reading levels by grade for 15 students for JH, okay, reading crowd. Grade 5. There are 3 students, different level, right? 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's the meaning. 6th grade, 3 students, each grade is what? Level 2, level 4, and level 5. So there are 15, right? Okay, student, yeah. Okay, now using this one, based on this there above, what is the median reading level? We need to find the one median reading level, okay? Level for 15 students. What is it? Can you find out? Median is what? When you meet reading level from lowest to 1, from highest to reading level 8. When you arrange over this in the middle number, okay? That you say median reading level, isn't it? Okay,
Is it
find out.
B?
Okay, B is correct. B is correct. Okay. So highest reading level you can count over there is what? 8, 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's highest, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Is it correct? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Where is it? Another one. 1, 2, 1, 2, right? Oh, still have this one. Don't take this one. This is great. We need to find the leading level over here, right? That's 5, isn't it? 5 is this, okay? All right. Maybe you can rearrange this one too. We have a 1 reading, 1 over here. 2 is what? 2 guys, 2, 2, okay? 3 is what? 1, 2, isn't it? So you can make it this way, okay? Right. B is the answer. It's okay. All right. Number 8. What is the average reading level of 7th and 8th grade student? Okay, can you try this one? We have only what? 7th and 8th grade. Okay. Okay. Okay, now let's find this one. Average. I'm gonna write a little reduce. Okay.
5. So B.
Okay. B is correct. All right. 5. Because what? 7th grade reading level is what? 6, 5, 4. Then you can use what? 6, 5. Okay, quickly. 8 is how much? 3, 5, 7, right? Okay. So you can divide by what? 6 students. Is okay? You can quickly add 11, 15, 18, 23, 30, isn't it? and divided by 6 is what? Average, reading average 5, okay? We choose only this one, okay? This one, okay. Very good. Now move on next one. Number 9. Try number 9. Okay. Everybody try number 9. Okay. Too big. Ah, that's too big. No. No. Okay. Okay. It's better. All right. So we have a graph, okay, between -4 and +4. F of k is 3. Some value of x is k. Height the value of y is 3. How many values of k are there in the interval? For how many points their y coordinate is 3? Give me the answer. What that means? What that means of it? If this value of x is 0, this is the value of y, okay? But this one should be 3, isn't it? Okay, any of you give me the answer? Any of you can give me the answer? Kevin,
Oh, I got C. I'm not Kevin, but
you got C?
yeah, I'm not Kevin. Sorry.
Okay, somewhere. Let's see. Where is it? For what value of 3? You said 3 value of k.
There's
Where
three.
is it? Which one? Give me the
Oh
right
wait.
x number.
Oh wait, my bad. Not my bad. I got confused. Sorry, it's 2.
2, right? Y equals k is where is it? Only this one. We have 2 intersections. One value of x, the other value of x. We have 2 value of x. Okay, it can be k, it can be over here, or another possible k is over here, right? So we have a 2-point digit answer. Okay, 2-point digit answer. All right, number 10. Okay, now everybody try number 10. We have a profit can be obtained by the model equations. 50 and 200, what is the n? N is the number of cars. This is a car wash company. If you have a number of cars with profit is more, right? And the cage constant, this cage constant is adjustable constant. Okay, adjustable constant. So which of the following expressions represent n? Oh, just to express n, okay? All right, find out. What is the n? We have 2n there, right? Numerator and denominator. The same n, we need the right combined, okay? Okay, find out. Give me the answer. Number 10.
Yeah.
Have some practice, okay?
Oh, I got C.
Oh, C. C is correct. First one, we can move this one, k minus k, right, to the left. Okay, so p minus k equals 50n minus 200 and over n, isn't it? We have 2n over here, so we multiply by n again, right? So n times what? P minus k equals 50n minus 200. Is it okay? All right. So what's the next? This is n over here. We have an n over here. Maybe you can use this one. When you take a look at there are 200, they are all positive, right? Okay, it doesn't matter. So minus n over here. So you can use what? Minus 50n, minus 50n, that is 0. So this is how much? N is still common, right? So n is out. Inside, what is it? P minus k n minus 50, isn't it? Then it equals negative 200. So n equals how much? You can divide by p minus k minus 50, right? Which one is equivalent? Oh, that is a positive over here. All 200 is a positive, right? So times negative 1 over here, okay? Times negative 1, that is a positive. Times negative 1, what I got? Oh, minus 50 first, okay? K is first, okay? K plus 50, both positive. This will be negative, right? Okay. So which one is the equivalent this one? Choice C is correct, right? Okay. K plus 50, right? Denominator should be K plus 50. Okay, choice C is the answer. Okay, very good. All right, number 11. Everybody try number 11. P of X is given. A is constant and X is variable. When Px divided by X plus 1, the remainder is 2. What is the value of A? Okay, you can use the remainder theorem, right? Okay, can you give me the answer? What is the value of A? How can you express a remainder in terms of P of X? Okay, take time and find the answer, okay? This is the idea, okay? Oh, P of X. This is equals 3x cubed plus ax minus 2. This is division. When divided by x plus 1 is what? Divisor, they have some quotient and remainder is 2. That's the meaning, right? It's okay because of here. P of x divided by x plus 1. There is some quotient over here. Okay, divided is what? Degree 1 polynomial. Remainder should be constant. Isn't it? Constant. Okay. This is remainder, right? This is remainder, constant. So P of X equals how much? Divisor times quotient and remainder. That's it, right? This is divisor, quotient, and remainder. Okay? But when you expand, right, this side, the other side, they eject the same expression, right? Same polynomial, same P of X. But there's a very special number of X. This special number of X give us what the remainder very, very quickly. What is the number X? This is a special number. When X equals negative 1, that's a special number. Why? When you put over a negative 1, that is 0, isn't it? Okay, put this number, P of negative 1, inside. When you over here, same expression, when you print the X equals negative 1, it has the same numbers. But on your right side is what? Same number is what? When you put X is 1, we got the remainder. That's the remainder. Okay? So negative 1 over here, how much? 3 to the 1, negative 1 cubed plus a to the negative 1 and minus 2 should be equals 2, isn't it? This is the remainder. Okay, that's why we said what? Remainder theorem. Okay? In polynomial, remainder is what? P of negative 1 when you divide by x plus 1. Okay, to make right, this is what? 0, to make a 0, we need to prove here x minus 1, isn't it? Okay. So over here, when P of X polynomial is divided by X minus A, the remainder is just what? 2 by over here, A minus X 0, okay? Put this number, X is what? With A. P of A is the remainder. This is the remainder. Okay? P minus 1 is what? When divided by X plus 1, that is the remainder. You can print by X equal negative 1 over here. That's the same number, okay? So how much this one? This one, okay? Negative 3 cubed is still negative. Negative 3 minus A minus 2 should be equals to, isn't it? This value is what? P negative 1. That's the remainder. Same as this remainder, okay? So negative 5 minus A to 2. Well, you can use one. Negative 5 minus 2 is A, isn't it? So A equals how much? Negative 7, right? That's the remainder. Is it okay? That is the remainder cell. Okay. Number choice 8. All right, number 12. Now let's move on number 12. Okay, everybody try this number. This is very popular SAT question, okay? Try this on number 12. If you finish your work, give me your answer. We have ax plus by equals 5. That is a linear, right? The equation of the line.
Oh, I got the answer.
Oh, you got the answer. What is that? Number 12.
D.
Okay. D is correct.
Yeah, I got D
D is
too.
correct. Okay, good, good. Everybody got D. All right. Maybe the best way, you can change this one. We're going to find what slope intercept form, right? So by equals negative ax plus 5 divided by b negative a over bx plus 5 over b. You know? That's slope intercept form. You can see that slope should be negative. We know that slope is negative, right? Okay, this one negative slope. What about b? B is what? This one? 5 over b. This is the y-intercept. Okay, right. This is 5. Okay, take a look over here. This one is positive. B also positive. We know that. Now this is a positive. But slope is what is it? Negative a over positive should be what? Less than 0, isn't it? To have less than 0, this one should be positive, right? Okay, you still have a negative. Okay, negative, positive, still negative. Negative over positive, still negative. Okay, so choice D is the answer. Okay, or you can put in there some number, it doesn't matter. Okay, you can put in there some number. Okay, all right. Number 13, tackle number 13. You have a circle and the shaded region is 80 pi and the measure of x, this angle, is 2 pi over 5. What is the radius of a circle? 2 pi over 5, pi is 180 degree. Actually, how much? 136, 72 degree, right? You can use this angle, it doesn't matter. Sometimes change into what? Degree, a little easier to understand. Okay. This area is what? 80 pi. So 72 is what? 1 pips of 360. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, that's 1/5 of this one. That is just 72. What is the radius? What is the entire circle area? 1, 2, 3, 4. Each one is 20. This is also 20, right? So total 20, 20, 20, 20. You can find this. Or you can use what? 80 pi. This one is what? 72 degree. 360 divided minus 72 is how much? 288, right? 80 pi is 288 degrees. So 288 degrees, this one over 360, okay? Now you get to an entire circle, right? But you know that 72 is about 5 times. This is better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? Each 72 is what? 20, total is 100 pi. That easy way, okay? This is the area of pi r square, isn't it? Now pi is out. We know that r square is 100, r is 10, right? That's the radius of circle. Okay. Okay, number 14 is yours. Okay, find out the answer number 14. Two lines are perpendicular. Intersect at point 1 and 3. The slope of error, this one is 1. What is the area of triangle RST? Where is R? Oh, this triangle. Oh, we need a base or height. Okay. Find out the answer, okay? You need to find the y-intercept this point, okay, to find the distance over here, isn't it?
Yeah, it's 2 and 4.
2 and 4, you got this one, okay, 2 and 4.
Yeah.
Very good, 2 and 4. So now you can find the area, right? How much is the area?
1.
1.
Yeah, 1.
Okay. 1 is correct because this is 2. Where is height? This is height, right? 1, isn't it? So 2 times 1. This is 1 and divided by 2. It is okay. So how can you find 2 over here? Slope is 1. You can use it, x plus b. But this is the point what pass through this point. When x is 1, y is 3. Y is 3, when x is 1, you can find, okay, b equals how much? 2, isn't it? That is y-intercept 2. Same way, this slope is negative 1, isn't it? Negative reciprocal, right? Using this one, you can find the y-intercept 4 again. All right? Okay, very good. All right, try number 15 now. So which of following is equivalent to the expressions above? Okay, which one? They are all what? Quotient and remainder form, right? You can use the long division, it doesn't matter. Or you want to use the long division? X squared minus x. When you subtract this out, negative and negative is positive plus 3, right? Still got one more. X minus 1, remainder minus out. 3 minus 1, remainder is 4, isn't it? So this is how much? Quotient.
C.
Yep. X plus 1 is a quotient. And remainder is about 4 over x minus 1. Okay, this is reset quotient and remainder form. Okay, that's it. That's the easiest way. Okay, choice C is the answer. Okay. All right, move on next one. Well, that's too big. But it makes small. Let's try number 16 now. What is the value of x minus 1, not x? That's trick, okay? You're going to find the value of this one, x minus 1. All right. Solve this one, number 16. That is rational equation, right? The equation of rational equation, okay? So how we solve this one? The best way you multiply their common denominator, okay? You can keep the right common denominator, or if you don't need this one, take them out. Just multiply the common denominator. We have two choices. But once you find the value of x, denominator cannot be there, right? Over here. This one is x minus 1. This is what? 2x minus 1. This is 4. Right? If you got the right solution x is 1, it doesn't work because 1 minus 1 is what? Undefined. It's okay? All right, that's not working. What is the common denominator? You can use over here, common denominator is what? 4 times x minus 1. Right? Or you can keep the right denominator, it doesn't matter. I'm going to keep the denominator this time. This is what? 2x, this is x. We're going to make a common denominator left-hand side, okay? 2x minus 1 is a common denominator, isn't it? 2x minus 1 over here. First one is what? Times 2 times 2, 2 plus 1. That is 1 part. You can keep the denominator over here. It doesn't matter. Okay? Or you multiply with this by common denominator, okay? Both sides. You can solve this one. This is now how much? 3, isn't it? Okay, to solve this one, you better use by cross multiplication, okay? So 2x minus 2 equals how much? 4 times 3 is what? 12. So 2x equals 14, x equals 7, no problem, right? X is not 1. That's the answer, okay? Or you can multiply 4x minus 1, left-hand side, right-hand side. Common denominator x minus 1 over here 4, but this is x minus 1 is already over here. We multiply by 4, right? When you multiply this one, the first will be 4. Second one is times 2 again, 2, right? We have only 2, okay? X minus 1, 2. So 4, 2 is what? Only number 2, right? 2 equals. The next is 4 is out. Right hand side 1 times x minus 1. That's okay. You can solve this way too. Left hand side, what? The 6 equals to x minus 1, x equals 7, isn't it? Same thing. Okay, which one is better? This one or this one? Better use by multiply the common denominator. It's okay. This is a little easier way. All right. Okay. All right. Number 17. Now everyone try number 17 now. I'm gonna make it big. Okay. Try number 17. We have triangles. Midpoint. This is midpoint. this is also midpoint. So maybe they're converted. This is midpoint. This is not isosceles. We don't know, right? The other side is a midpoint. The length of AC is 10, and the altitude of triangle is 20. From bottom to the top is 20. M and N are midpoint. Okay, what is the area of this area? How much? This area is how much? Maybe if you know the property of midpoint theorem. Okay, when you join in with two midpoint, they're very interesting, right? This is a 1 to 2, isn't it? This is also 1 to 2. Base is also 1 to 2, right? Okay.
So,
Yeah. Go ahead. So you got the answer?
is it 100? No, I mean not 100. 50 or no?
No, it's not half, right? That's not half,
Yeah.
okay? What is this? If this is 5, maybe you can divide by over here. Oh, this triangle, this triangle, this one, this one. This is why midpoint, okay? The property will write the midpoint, okay? We have actually four congruent
So
triangles
75.
there. That's right.
Okay.
So base times height and divided by the total area is 100. When you divide by 4, each one is 25, right? So 25 times is just 75 is the area, okay? Or you can use similar. We know that this is what? Already 1 to 2, 1 to 2. You know, this is the base is 1 to 2, this is 5, we know that. And the height is what is that? Also what? 1 to 2, isn't it? This is 10, each one is 10, this is 10. 10, 10, okay? That is the property of what? Midpoint triangle. Oh, this is kind of a trapezoid, okay? What is it? 5 plus, 10 plus, 5, and height is 10 divided by 2. You can use this one too, right? So 15, this is the 1, 5, okay? 15 times 5 is 75. You can use this formula, it doesn't matter, okay? All right. All right, now move on number 18. Okay, number 18 is yours, okay? Try this one, number 18 is yours. ABK is a constant. Constant means when you got the number that turn out to be some numeric number, that's what we said, what, constant, okay? The equation is true for all values of x. They are true when you print any value of x. There are 1, 2, negative infinity, negative 100, positive 100, already equal because what? Left hand side, right hand side, they are same expression. 2x plus 1, same expression. If we have, for example, when you print any number of x, they are already equal, right? Because they are same expressions. Infinitely many solutions. Okay? So this equation is called what? Identical. So you can say the equation is identical. The first one is the same expression. Second one is the infinitely many solution. Okay? That is the property of what? Identical equation. They said what? Already true for all values, but they are identical. This one, they have what? Same expression. Okay? They have the same expressions. Okay, now find out the value of k, okay? Now you can find it. coefficient of x, same expression means what? Coefficient of x should be equal. Constant should be equal to constant. Okay? So can you guys give me the answer for the value of k? Kevin?
Wait for number 18.
Yeah, number 18. We are doing number 18. Find the value of k. What about Samuel? Edward, can you get the answer? Okay.
Yeah, I'm looking at it.
Okay, good.
Is it 35?
35. All right. 35 is correct. 35 is correct. Because this is already what? X squared, x constant, x squared, x constant. We don't have to change it, right? This is already what simplified. So they are identical means what coefficient of x squared should be equal, right? So a minus 1 equals 4. You can say a minus 1 equals 4. From here, you can find a equals 5, isn't it? Oh, the next one, coefficient of x should be equal b minus 2. B minus 2 should be equals 5, right? From here, b equals how much? 7, isn't it? 7. The next one, constant term. AB is constant term. Right-hand side constant term is still k. This should be equal, but we don't know the value of a and b. We got already, okay? 5 and 7, that is the k. So 5 times and 7 is the value of k, okay? 35 is this. Okay? All right, very good. All right, now move on number 19. Okay, find out the answer number 19 now. What is minimum value of p? Okay. What is minimum value of p? Oops, what is this? What is this?
Can I go to the bathroom real quick?
Okay, we have some break time, okay? All right, so 10 minutes break, okay? So
Thank
you
you.
can go to my bathroom and take some water, okay? So Eric got over here 2:05, okay? Come back here 2:05 p.m. Break.
Wait. We can't hear you.
I think you muted.
I'm sorry about that. Okay, I just muted over here. Okay, sorry
Yeah.
about that. All right, apologize me. Okay, all right. So we have x squared plus y squared is 8, and the y equal to x. We know that x from here, x should be what? That's the restriction, okay? Already radical function domain means what? The value of x is always restricted. Okay? But the value of x should be what? Greater equal 0, isn't it? Have to find the value of x should be x is greater equal 0, okay? So there are two ways. You can eliminate the y or eliminate the x. It doesn't matter. Both two ways will working. Now first eliminate y, okay, because this is already expressed y. Maybe that is the easier way. Y squared is how much? 2x, isn't it? So you got this one. X squared plus y squared is 2x and equals to 8 is what? Minus 8 equals 0, okay? That's the one equation. Now you can factor this one to find the value of x. X plus 4, x minus 2, 0. You can factor this way, right? You know how to factor this one. So we have two numbers. X is negative 4 and x is 2. But x is negative 2. To find the value of y, we need to find the value of y, not x. Y is what? Square root 2 times x, isn't it? But this is negative 4. That is imaginary. That is not working. Okay? Forget out. Now the next one, try 2. 2 times 2. 2, right? That's the answer. Or you can substitute, you can change this one. Y squared is what? 2x. X is how much? Y squared over 2, isn't it? By this time, you can see over here, y is already positive, right? This is a principal square root, isn't it? Take a look here. Y equals 2x means what? The value of y always positive or equals 0. It can't be negative. This is a positive. If you have this one, y is negative, okay? This is the principal square root, always positive. So y should be always positive. Okay? Okay, now x squared is what? 2 squared over here, how much? Y squared over 2 squared plus y squared, that is equals 8. So y to the 4th power over 4 and y squared equals 8. Times 4, okay? Times 4 is what is that? Y to the 4 times 4y squared equals 32 minus 32 equals 0, right? So y squared, find out. You can factor, right? This is the 4, 2. What is that? Plus 8 and y squared minus 4 equals 0. Y squared can be negative 8, impossible. That one cannot be 0, okay? Because y squared is what? Minimum is 0. Always positive. It can be 0. The only thing, second term might be 0, okay? Y squared is 4. But we know that y is a positive. Okay, so y should be 2, isn't it? A little bit there is a little bit risky, right? In this way. Don't take y equals negative 2. Y cannot be negative 2 over here, right? Positive 2, okay? All right, so if you go to this way, we need a little careful, okay? Yeah, that is the number 20, okay? Or we finished the last time section 8. So I'm gonna put over another one. This one and to this section 9. Okay. Right, try number 1 now. Okay, the Sky Telephone Company charges 8 cents for the first three 8 cents. Very popularized equation, right? For the first 3 minutes, 8 cents. 8. and charges at the rate of R cent for additional. For additional, this is what? R cent for additional. R is what? Slope, right? That is the rate. Additional time, this is number T, right? Jackson uses what? T minute, where T is greater than 3. So it's more than 8 cents, right? Yeah, greater than 3. How much in dollars in its core? How much? T minutes. But first 3 minutes, they change what? 8 cents. After that, T minus 3, isn't it? This is the additional time. They charge the R, the times R, right? So you can add more, okay? So A plus T minus 3 times R, right? Choice B is the answer. Is it true or not? Is it true or not? Anybody can tell me about this one? This is wrong. Why? Always think about, okay, in dollars, isn't it? That is why SAT give this type of questions a lot. This is why a cent, this is dollars. We have to write change in dollar. Okay? 8 cents is how many dollars? 0.01 times A, isn't it? Okay? Or what? A plus R times T minus, that is it. Total is what? Cents to change in dollars times what? 0.01, isn't it? Is it okay? Now this is dollars, right? So B is not the answer, okay? C is the answer, right? C is the answer. 1 cent is what? 0.01 dollars, okay? So you multiply by 0.01, okay? Don't forget this one, okay? All right, number 2. Now take a number 2. Okay, try this one. Charlie drives M miles from her house to her office in F hours. Yeah, it takes what, F hours. And drive back to her house in G hours, same distance, okay? Same distance going over here, F hours, but going back G hours. Okay, what is your average speed of the entire trip, both way, okay? What is the average speed? Total distance over total time. That is what? Average speed, okay? Okay, what is the answer? Give me the answer. You got the answer already, right? Okay. What's the answer? What is your total distance? Back and forth, entire trip. M plus M. 2M, right? What is total time? Oh, we have already out here. F hour, G hour. Total how much? F plus G. That is average speed. It's okay? All right, we already got the right average information, the right questions. Okay. C is the answer, okay? C is the answer. All right, go to number 3. Okay, now everyone try number 3 now. We have a circle, this circle right past the origin of here. So we have x-intercept 8 and 0, y-intercept at 6 and 0. From here, can you find radius of the circle? Okay. Where is the radius? Where is the radius? Okay, give me the answer. Number 3. Okay, Madeline, Maddie, try this one, okay? And give me your answer to me.
I'm kind of confused on how that's 6, 0.
0,6.
Oh, so is that a
Okay,
mistake?
0,6. Yeah, that's a mistake, right? 0,6.
Okay.
Okay, anybody has the answer?
Wait. Oh my god. Can you
Okay.
give me 1 more minute?
Oh,
I-
sure.
I-
yeah.
yeah.
Take time. Okay. Take time. Okay. Find out the answer. Okay.
Is it 5?
Yeah. 5 is the answer. Okay. 5 is the answer. When you make the line, okay, where is center? Center should be on this line over here, isn't it? In the middle, right? Because what? This is the right angle. Okay. New SAT, they're gonna give this one now. Okay. When you have a semicircle, this is diameter. When you build any triangles, this angle always 90 degrees, which is the right angle, okay? Because this is the center over here. We have a central angle is 180. It's inscribed angle, always half of this one, right? Okay. So this is the right angle over here. So when you make the line over here, we have a center in the middle, okay? What is the length of this one? It's 10, isn't it? So red is half of that, right? 5 is the answer. It is okay? Yes? Or maybe you can use the other way too. When you have a chord, right? When you, okay, perpendicular bicep, they are just central here. This is perpendicular bicep, they are just central here. This is center. This is 4, isn't it? This is 3. This is radius. You can use this one too. 4 and 4, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, you can use this way too. So choice B is the answer. Okay.
Wait,
All
so
right.
did you do 36? Oh, wait, never mind. Yeah, I got the answer. Never mind.
It's okay. All right. Okay. All right. Number 4. Now take number 4. This is very popular via SAT. Okay. They gave this one. I think they gave it 2 times already. Okay. This type of a transformation. Okay. So we have the equation: age constant, age increased by 4 units. Which of the following is true about the resulting graph? Age increased by 4 units means if this another unit is 1. F of x equals 1. X plus a plus 4, right? Age increased by 4 units. This is a plus 4, isn't it? That means. Okay. What is the graph of this one from here? Can you find out? This is the original graph. From here, not x. Okay, not f of x equal x
Is
squared.
it B?
Yeah, B is correct. From here, right? Move to the left. Plus means move to the left by 4 units, isn't it? Yeah, B is correct. Okay, good job, Mary. All right. All right, number 4. Take a look. Claire has $40 in her account and put in what $10 every week. We have 2 guys. What is it? Claire and David. David starts with $80. Claire is over here $40. David is $80. Okay. The slope is what $10 every week, 1 week, right? This guy is what? Every 1 week, $8. That's a slope, right? All right. If the graph intercepts at point A and B, what is the value of B? Same amount. Can you find out this one? We're gonna find the value of B, right? The value of A, we have 8 weeks. In 8 weeks, they have the same amount of B, right? They can save the money, okay? The same amount in their jobs, okay? All right. Can you find this one? We need to find what the equation of the line, right? Using what? Initial value 40 and 80 and slope is what? 8 and 10, right? What is the equation of this line? Slope is 10, right? Every week. So 10. So the number we're going to use the x, the number of weeks is the x. So 40 plus 10x. Amount of money, okay? Y equals. This is how much? Slope is 8, right? Every week 1 is right. What is it? 80 plus 8x, isn't it? Some value of right A, this is A, you can use it, this is A is what, X, the value of X, okay? B is what, the value of Y. At this point, the amount is equal, so you can let this is equal, right? 40 plus 10x equals 80 plus 8x, isn't it? That is the value, okay? Okay. So 2x equals minus 40 minus 40, 40, x equal how much? 20, right? But this is what? Number of weeks. In 20 weeks, they have the same amount. But that's when you find what? The amount of money, right? The value of Y. Put this number, you can put it here or here. It doesn't matter. Okay? Or you can use this one. 40 times every week $10 times 20 weeks, right? Total is how much? 40 plus 20, $240. In 20 weeks, they have reached what? $240. It is okay. So choice C is the answer, okay? All right, number 6. After this, we finish, okay? When Carrie has a 200 in her savings jar, how many dollars does David have right in their savings? When he has a share, we have the number of weeks, okay? college 200. This college 200, right? So we're gonna find how many weeks, in how many weeks, 200. Minus 40, you can say it over here. 40 plus 10x is now $200. 10x equals how much? Minus 40 minus $160. X is what? 16 weeks. It took what? 16 weeks, right? To have to make what? $200, didn't it? In 16 weeks, how much does you right save? Okay. Now put this number 16 over here, right? Okay. Over here. What is it? 80 plus 8x. So 80 plus 8 times. It took only 16 weeks. Okay. So 8 times 16 is 128, isn't it? 128. Another $80 over here. Total is $208. Okay. $208. That's the answer. Okay, I'm gonna write down the date over here. 11/7/2020. Okay. So we'll continue to work. Okay. So if you have time, you can try the rest of the questions. All right. Or the best way is what? Just to go over one more time. Okay, what we have solved today. Okay. So you have to keep this one or memorize everything. Okay. So I'll show you next time. Okay. All right. Thank you, everybody. Okay. Bye.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Thank
Thank you. Have a good weekend.
Okay. Okay. You too. Thank you.